People have been making soap for thousands of years. The earliest evidence goes back to around 2800 BCE in ancient Babylon. In ancient Egypt, around 1500 BCE, papyrus records show that the Egyptians mixed animal and vegetable oils with alkaline salts to make a soap-like substance, also used primarily for washing fabrics and treating skin problems. But how is soap made nowadays? And what are the raw materials used? Soap is made through a chemical process called saponification, which involves mixing a fat or oil with a strong alkali, usually sodium hydroxide, also called lye, and water. In factories, they often use faster process, sometimes using continuous saponification or adding synthetic detergents for extra cleaning power. Glycerin, that is formed during soap making, may also be extracted and sold separately. The first step in making soap in an industrial production process is the preparation of the raw material. The main raw materials are fats and oils, with animal fats, such as tallow, or vegetable oils, such as palm, coconut or soybean oil. Fats and oils are primarily composed of triglycerides, molecules formed by three fatty acids attached to a glycerol backbone. These fatty acids can vary in chain length and degree of saturation, influencing the physical and nutritional properties of the fats and oils. Alkali is another raw material. Sodium hydroxide is used for solid soap or potassium hydroxide for liquid soap. Water and additives, such as colorants, fragrances, preservatives, fillers, like talc, and functional agents, like moisturizers or antibacterial agents, are also important raw materials. Saponification is the next step in the process. In the saponification reaction, the fats, oils break apart. The fatty acids turn into soap or fatty acid salts, and the glycerol backbone is released as free glycerin. In the saponification reaction, triglyceride, fat or oil, react with sodium hydroxide, and form soap, and glycerin. This step is very important in soap making. The two common industrial methods for saponification are the boiling method or kettle process and the continuous process. Boiling method is still used for specialty soaps. In this process, huge steel kettles, 20,000 to 150,000 liters, are filled with fats, alkali, and water. The mixture is boiled and stirred for several days. Salt is added to salt out the soap or make it separate from the glycerin water layer. The soap layer floats to the top and is skimmed off. Glycerin is recovered separately. Continuous process is used in modern factories. In this process, fats and alkali are fed into a continuous reactor. Reaction happens in a few hours instead of days. Soap, glycerin, and byproducts are continuously separated. This method saves time, energy, and labor. Glycerin is a valuable byproduct, often removed, purified, and sold for pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, or food. It's used in skin creams, toothpaste, food sweeteners, and even antifreeze. If you're enjoying the video so far, leave a like and subscribe to the channel, so we can continue making new videos for you. After saponification, the crude soap is dried into solid soap noodles or flakes. It's mixed with additives, fragrance, color, moisturizers, abrasives, etc. The mixture is milled, refined, and blended for uniform texture. The last step is forming and packaging. In this step, the soap mixture is extruded through a nozzle. It's cut into bars, stamped with logos, and wrapped. Liquid soaps are bottled and capped. The advantages of industrial production are a faster and more efficient process than that of artisanal soap, precise control of quality, texture and additives, and the possibility of producing thousands of tons per year. As of recent estimates, global soap production is around 30 to 40 million metric tons per year, and that number keeps growing as populations increase and hygiene awareness rises. The biggest producers and consumers are typically China, India, United States, Indonesia, and Brazil. If you liked the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It would be great if you could leave a comment too.